What do we call the procedure of obtaining a small piece of tissue for examination under a microscope? What is the name of the medical instrument used to examine the ear? What is the term for the involuntary shaking or spasm of a body part? What do we call the medical examination of a dead body to determine the cause of death? What is the name of the medication used to treat viral infections?